Is your hair really short and it looks like this, but you're trying to grow it out? Well, today's video is going to help you with some great hair tips. What's going on YouTube? Steven, the Salon Guy here. And is your hair super short and you want to grow it out and you don't know what to do or how to style it, or you just are confused? It's like, you know, if I want to try to grow my hair out, actually there's going to be no hope for that. But you have a pixie haircut or you have, you know, an undercut. There's a few things you need to know that can be very helpful when you're trying to grow your hair out. So the first thing is, if you're a female and you have somewhat of like a shorter pixie type haircut and you want to start growing it out, there's a few key things that you need to understand, such as, one, what is your end goal? Okay, number one, what kind of hairstyle do you want? And this actually applies to men and women too. But for women, sometimes it could be a little bit more drastic because, you know, you may have a whole side of your head shaved or buzzed off and you have this longer, it's very disconnected, or, you know, a very feminine but edgy type of haircut. The best thing to do is to start to play around with hairstyles. So number two, change up your hairstyle, okay? So if you're traditionally, your haircut is cut in a very dramatic way, like it's a hard side part like this, and this is very, very long, well, now it's time to start, you know, maybe even camouflaging some of that other shorter hair by maybe changing up the part, right? And going over the opposite way. And then what you're doing is you're then creating an area that has a lot more hair. And what you're doing is you're covering up all that underneath that's maybe disconnected or completely shaved off. And there you have a whole new hairstyle by just changing up your parting. What else you can do is you can also, you know, maybe tuck the hair behind the ear. You know, do whatever you can to kind of camouflage some of those unbalanced areas. Have a little more freedom with how you style it. Just be a little more creative and think of the end goal in mind, especially when you're getting your haircut. So you may need to tell your stylist, and they should be advising this, is like, okay, we're gonna let this one side grow in through here, but we're gonna keep it a little more short on this side so that eventually everything is then balanced properly, and then you can continue to grow it. Or you can cut everything really, really, really short and then grow it from scratch, but you may not want that because you may like some of the length in through here. So really it comes down to your end result, changing up your hairstyle, and then the third thing is communication with your stylist or your barber. So let's jump into some men's stuff. All right, so say a guy has hair like this, or you have hair like this, whoever's watching, and you're like, okay, I wake up every morning and my hair is a complete mess. I don't know what to do with it. Well, believe it or not, it may look like a complete mess at first, but that's where the hairstyling options come into play. What you could do is you can create a side part. You can take all this hair that you may have on top and start to brush it over, brush this down, and all of a sudden, look, it's a lot more tamed, and you're starting to create kind of a new type of hairstyle. You may need some product, but that's the thing, is play and experiment with products, change up your hairstyle, especially on shorter hair types. Try a side part, or what you can do is, the best way to do that sometimes is simply by brushing the hair forward a little bit and creating more of a textured, voluminous type look, but also while maintaining a, you know, somewhat sophisticated shape, because you can make your hair literally a mess like this. And I'm sure people are watching, their hair does look like this. But again, it comes down to playing around with your hair and seeing how your hair grows. That's also very, very important, is where does your hair naturally part? Every human being has a natural part. You find out by brushing your hair back like this, and then the hair will naturally split. Where that split is, that's where you want to work off of. So if you've got a natural side part, then look, all we're doing is now creating a new shape by working off what your hair is naturally doing. That automatically is making it look less of a mess. Put a little product in here and you're good to go. Here's one I get all the time if you're a guy or even a female, but specifically if you're a male and your hair looks like this and you want to get your hair a lot longer, where you want to become, you know, get your hair down to here and somewhat more of a longer hairstyle, and you don't want to cut it, what you need to do is get one really, really good haircut, and you want to make sure that you get your hair cut so that it's cut to grow out really, really well. And that is how I cut hair, folks. I actually cut the hair with the end goal in shape. So you need to tell your stylist or your barber, say, hey, look, I want to grow my hair out. Can you please cut it to grow it out? Now, is every professional going to know how to do this? Probably not, and it's unfortunate. But it does take a specific skill set to understand how to really cut hair in order for it to really grow out. I cut hair like that normally, all right? That's how I actually work with my clients. So I cut their hair, so male or female, so that in like 6 weeks or 3 months or 5 months, that their hair actually looks phenomenal when they come back in, because I'm placing the layers and the different techniques I'm doing in the right spot so that as it grows, it's balanced, okay? That's what's really important for your haircuts, especially if you're trying to grow it longer. Get it cut nicely that you can go 8-9 months and it still looks good. And that's where layers come into play, okay? Layers come into play where, because you're removing some weight and it's not gonna be so heavy, create kind of like a longer medium length layered shape so that it all grows in transition, that you can get to the point where you can just start cutting the bottom, that this will eventually get longer too. So you really have to set yourself up, or have the professional set your hair up to grow out the way you want it. Well, I hope you guys found these tips very helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell so you're notified of when my videos go up 3 times a week. And leave your comments below if you're looking for any new types of hair tips, or if you found this video very helpful. Keep watching all the videos I'm putting out for you, and it means a lot to me. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time for more videos with The Salon Guy.